The message that I feel that we're lacking, though, is that we cannot give our children anything that we don't have. The example I love is, I ask my kids this all the time, I say, what happens when you squeeze an orange? They always say, we know, Papa. I'm like, I know, just tell it to me, I'm preparing here. What happens when you squeeze an orange? Like, orange juice comes out. I'm like, why does orange juice come out? What if I want lemon juice? If I want grape juice? Why does orange juice come out? I say, Papa, because that's what's inside the orange. It's an orange. When we get squeezed, the only thing that can come out from us is what's inside of us. And if that's frustration and anger and anxiety and worry and fear, then that's what comes out. If it's denial and pain and judgment, then that's what's going to come out. But if we fill ourselves up with love, acceptance, appreciation, and respect, then that's what comes out. So you need to understand, you have to go first. If you're not in the trance, you can never put anyone else in. Rabbi Berkowitz, when we used to go out to Kiev, he used to tell us all the time, the greatest tool you're going to have in Kiev is to fully believe it yourself, is to fully be deep in it yourself. Our children can never love themselves if they are constantly looking at parents who can't stand themselves either. We need to take care of ourselves. We need to build ourselves. So many parents say the line to me, I'm fine, everything's fine, I just need my kid to be okay. If you're not happy with a cup of coffee, you're not going to be happy with the yacht. Your kid could be fine and you're still going to feel that way. We need to go first. We need to be okay first. We need to be happy first. We need to be full of love first. We need to be connected to the Rabbi Shalom and have Emunah first. We need to go first, and then our kids can follow.